Today we are doing a single crochet stitch. For this I am using this 3.25 millimeter hook, and this is just a sample that we'll be doing. So let's start it. First we'll make a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your finger like this and take the front loop behind the second loop and pull the second loop like this. This makes our slip knot. Now we'll make 12 chains. For making the chains, yarn over and pull through the loop. This makes our first chain, yarn over and pull through. Second chain, yarn over and pull through again. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and this way we'll be making 12 chains. So this is just a sample piece, that's why we are making only 12 chains. So now this is our first chain from the hook, and we'll go into the second chain from the hook, and we'll go into the second chain, then yarn over the loop and pull through. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. See, we have 2 loops on our hook, and now yarn over and we'll pull it. Now this makes our one single crochet. Again into the next chain, yarn over and pull. Again yarn over and pull through the 2 loops together at a time. Again next chain, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through both the loops. Again yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This way we'll make single crochet in all the chains across. Now we have completed our first row of single crochet, and then we'll do chain 1 and turn our work. This first chain is our turning chain, and I'll make another single crochet at the base of this chain. We'll go into the base of this chain and yarn over and pull through. We have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both the loops at the same time. Now this makes our first single crochet of the second row. Then we'll go to the next and pull through. Then again into the next chain, yarn over and pull through. We have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This way we'll again complete our second row. Now here we have completed our second row, chain 1, and we'll turn our work. Again we'll go into the base of this turning chain, and I'll make one more single crochet. Into the chain, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through both the loops. and yarn over the hook and pull through both the loops. This way we'll complete our rows. Now here I have completed 5 rows of single crochet. It's a small sample piece of 5 rows. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.